Hello guys, back again with another video. Thank you guys to view my last video that I was posted. I am here guys with another video. As I promised you guys that I was going to make another video about how to get started with cybersecurity. So today I am here guys to deliver my promise. As I was speaking that day guys, now we are about to get started. And today guys, we are going to talk about Virtualbox, about virtual machines, how to install Virtualbox on your computer, how to configure Virtualbox, how to install other operating system from Virtualbox. Here is my demonstration about Virtualbox. As you see guys on this documentation, how to download Virtualbox, what is Virtualbox, and Kali Linux, how to install Kali Linux on Virtualbox, how to use Kali Linux. The first thing that we need to do guys, what is Virtualbox? Virtualbox is a piece of software that you can install other operating system on it. You can install any operating system on Virtualbox guys. You can install Mac OS, you can install Linux, you can install Fedora, you can install Ubuntu. Any types of operating system you can install on Virtualbox. So here is what I recommend you to know about how to install it on your computer. The first thing guys that you need to know is the CPU. On my computer now I have i5 core 8. It means I have 8 CPU inside of this computer and 16 gigabyte of RAM, and my storage is 500 gig. So what I am going to do on this, I'm going to download Kali Linux from kalilinux.org. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give my Kali Linux 2 CPU, and I'm going to give Kali Linux 4 gigabyte of RAM because my main RAM is 16 gig, and I'm going to give Kali Linux 80 gigabyte of storage. So you need to share the resource with the guest operating system. On Virtualbox we are going to install the guest. So the guest is Kali Linux. I'm going to give Kali Linux 2 CPU, and I'm going to give Kali Linux 4 gigabyte of RAM, and I'm going to give Kali Linux 80 gig of storage. Let's go guys and download Kali Linux and Virtualbox. Here is the website of Virtualbox. As you see, Virtualbox. Here you will find links to Virtualbox binary and in source code. You can download Virtualbox in many platforms. You can install Virtualbox on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and other distribution. The first thing guys, this host is Windows. We will download Virtualbox for Windows, and we need to download Virtualbox extension packet for all supported. The first thing we have to download Virtualbox for Windows. I'm going to save it on my download, and I'm going to download Virtualbox extension package for Virtualbox. I'm going to download it, but I already downloaded this package. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel it. We need to go to Kali Linux website. Here is the Kali Linux website. Type Kali Linux. The first link that appear, you have to get on it is Kali Linux. Go to the download. Here are many platforms that you can download Kali Linux from it and install Kali Linux. You can install Kali Linux on a bare metal. You can install Kali Linux on a virtual machine. Let's go. You can install Kali Linux on mobile. You can install Kali Linux on the cloud. You can run Kali Linux as a Docker container. Oh my god. We can download Kali Linux to boot as a live mode. You can download Kali Linux SAWSL. So my main goal here is to download Kali Linux for virtual machine. Remember guys, we need to find the right OVA file for Virtualbox. Here it is. It's 3 gigabyte. We need to download it. The download is finished. As you see right now, I already download this image. Let's go to the next step to install Virtualbox. I will go where I downloaded Virtualbox on it. It's in this folder. It's here, Virtualbox. You double click it to install Virtualbox. We have to wait for Virtualbox. Oh, it's wanting my password. Yes, here it is, install Virtualbox. We are going for the default, the next. It's all default, the next, but I will cancel this step because I already downloaded Virtualbox. Virtualbox is on my computer right now. I will skip this step. I will cancel it and finish. So the next step that we need to do is to go to the Kali Linux image that we downloaded from the website. It is this one. What you need to do guys, you have to go to it and go to more option and extract it here. I already extracted the OVA file guys. It's right here. When you see, you have to go to the OVA file and right click and open in Virtualbox, but we don't need to do that here because I already imported the OVA file inside of Virtualbox. What I need to do, I will go and open Virtualbox. I have to wait for Virtualbox to open. Yes, the Virtualbox was open guys. Kali Linux is here. You see the OVA file that we downloaded from Kali Linux. I imported in the Virtualbox. It's 2024.2 is the latest version. What we need to do right now guys, from here, we need to set up our own network. We need to go to tools, and in these tools you can see we have the host only network, we have net network, we have a cloud network. What we need to do, we have to go to the net network to create our own network. We need to give our network name. Here is a net network. I will give Mastro network. That is the name of my network. So here is the IP address. I can choose my own IP address. I will do that. I will say 192.162.132.0.0/24. Yes, it's our own network. We create our own net inside this Kali Linux guys. I will say apply. As you see, our network is now created. What we need to do right now, we have to power this up. We're already done guys. What I will do right now, I will start Kali Linux. Start. Go. I will wait for Kali Linux to start. It will start right now. Yes, Kali Linux is starting. As you see guys, we are successful install Kali Linux inside Virtualbox. So we need to go through the interface right now. We need to go through interface. The Kali Linux is still booting. Yes, Kali Linux is still booting. We have to wait. For Kali Linux. A new fresh install Kali Linux inside Virtualbox. We have to wait for Kali Linux to boot up. This will take some time, but we have to be patient, guys. Remember, we have to be patient. We have to be patient for Kali Linux to start up. Yes, we are going there. As you see, Kali Linux is separate from my main operating system. Here you can see I have Windows. Here is Kali Linux inside this box. Yes, it's already booted. The password for Kali Linux, guys, is Kali username, and the password is also Kali. Yes. Kali Linux is already booted, guys. Let's make this screen bigger. Let's make this screen bigger. You have to wait for Kali Linux. Yes. This is it, guys. It is ethical hacking operating system. We are going to use this system to attack computers. The first thing we need to do on Kali Linux, we need to open the terminal. Is the command line. Here is the user interface. What we need to do right now, we need to check for the IP address. Remember, we create our own network. To check the IP address, we type IPA. Yes, our IP address is here. We need to check something. We need to pin that IP address to see that IP address is live. Yes, this IP address is working. We have to check something. We have to check our main operating system can pin this IP address. We need to go to CMD into my main computer. In this CMD, we will pin this host. Is 10.0.2.15. Yes, we want this. Our main operating system, they can't pin Kali Linux because what we are doing here, we isolated our Kali Linux from our main operating system. Whatever that we are going to do in here, the main operating system will not going to be affected. Let's make this in full screen. I will show you the tools, guys, right now. You have to click on the left corner here. You can see here is the tools. Here is information gathering. Here is vulnerability analysis, web application, database assessment, password cracking, wellness attack, reverse engineering, exploitation tool, yes, sniffing and spoofing, post exploitation, forensic reporting tools, social engineering. Kali, here is the website of Kali. I'm going to teach you all about this, guys, in this channel, so stay tuned and subscribe for the more content to come, guys. Thank you, guys. I show you guys how to download Kali Linux. I show you how to download Virtualbox and I show you how to install Kali Linux on Virtualbox. It is very simple, guys. Stay tuned. Sharp sharp.